Let's spin a disc.
I'm okay with everyone. Winky are complicated, but everyone else apart from Winky, I'm okay.
Sekalis, what happened to Sekalis?
Same na babara. Nongongona manamba sheka ngambo de vanono follower vananona vanonotera music yake and stuff.
But why do you say now Winky it's complicated? Yet at some point in time
Winky,
you worked with Winky D when you did the Garamumba concerts.
Yeah, Winky, my only problem is I 100% believe in what he believes. Which is okay for him to believe and to do whatever he wants, which is 100%. Zimbabwe is a free country. But misleading the youth is what I feel. I might be the one wrong, but ndonenge wakada kutaura something about mutungamiro wenyika, about the government, about you're misleading my youth, because once you have a brand, you're an influence to people. And you don't want to influence varamba vachita zvokutaura kuti chakati tine nzara takade hakuna nyika zina nzara, America ine nzara. Yeah, but you don't need to influence vanhu with.
So that's how you feel that he is trying to influence.
Yeah,
that's
so I don't have a problem now. Ndazana muresa kandi mureso back ndizvo akandiknobo and a problem now. But the problem kama itiroka yake kuti unoenda pa stage you want to say nganga, that's not good.
But isn't that the same thing that you also do? You're saying it's a free country, he's allowed to have his opinion, he's allowed to do his thing.
No, there are people that don't like what I do, and they're free to say Java is wrong. You can't please everyone. Yeah, and they're okay to do that. But I'm saying my opinion is wabudeo chiti government yakadzima. I have to come and tell my youth that since I have a bigger influence. Kuti apana chinonzi kudzima nyika yese yakadai. So I've been in many countries. We have to balance and understand kuti South Africa no sheka. Tandiri ku UK, ku UK huko. Takaona mapoto triple interview.
All right.
Hakuna nyika isinosheka.